it's Wendy, and I just wanted to stop in real quick and make a quick announcement that the 20,000 subscriber giveaway is going to be this Friday, which will be March 3rd, 2023 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I have got everybody's names entered in already that have signed up under the video that you want to be part of the 20,000 subscriber giveaway, and we hit 20,000. It's been a couple of weeks, but it's been a crazy few weeks, and I have not had a chance to film the video when I looked like a human being. So today I think I'm getting ready to go to church, so I look fairly decent. So I'm gonna film this video right now. But 20,000 subscribers, yay. Thank you so much for helping me get here. I'll tell you a little bit of a funny story. My son Logan, my oldest son Logan, he's a great supporter. He always watches my videos, and I hit 20,000 and I said to Logan, I said, you know, YouTube didn't even say anything. Like, I thought there'd be like, I don't know, some virtual confetti or something. And Logan said, Mom, YouTube doesn't consider 20,000 a milestone. Thank you, Logan, for taking the wind out of my sails. But Logan considers it a milestone. He was very proud of me, and so is Landon, my younger son. So anyway, I just thought that was funny. He's like, yeah, YouTube doesn't consider that a milestone. But I consider it a milestone, and I'm thankful to all of you for helping me get here. And we're going to do the giveaway again this coming Friday, the 3rd, March 3rd, 2023. At 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to spin the wheel twice. There's going to be 2 winners, and you're going to get a lot of cool beading supplies, okay? So everybody stay tuned for that, and I will see you then. Bye.